When I arrived here in 1994, it was a beautiful area. But all the large animals were just virtually not here. The turning point for us was starting a proper anti-poaching unit, which we did within a year of me getting here. The first major jump we made was bringing in bush bikes, and we had 5 rangers on bush bikes. Very, very effective because they could take all the footpaths and areas that would take you, half a day to walk into, they could get into in 15 minutes. The dollars from every animal that has been hunted here has gone back into conservation, and that's the only way we achieved what we have today.
The wildlife in this area was completely decimated, and it's taken a huge effort, almost 2.5 decades of largely anti-poaching but also community engagement for Mark Haldane and his team to get it back to its former glory. But the one thing missing is the apex predator.
It's a bold, big project. Lions used to exist here, and lions should exist here now.
When I first spoke to Dan and Mary about this project and they agreed that the Family Foundation would support it, I then realized that this dream could actually become a reality, and now we've got to get to work. Bomas needed to be built. You don't just move lions. It's a huge logistical undertaking. And then we had to source lions, genetically diverse lions that come from healthy wild ecosystems. That's no small task when you're talking about 24 of them.
We wanted to do something that had never been done before. This lion project hit home because of my mother's love for Africa and because of her love of lions.
Darting them to actually get them down and into the trailers and into the aircraft was a mission, certainly.
Well, this is the first male that we darted. We're going to try and get him loaded in the car here.
We've been through all of the testing to ensure that when we take these lions to Mozambique, they're healthy, they don't carry anything that would be of any consequence to local wildlife in the area.
Well, the caravan's loaded. We're just getting the Pilatus loaded with these 3 big males. And this will be the last load to Mozambique. Okay, this lion's waking up. We just got to give him another hit. He's just started stirring. Just careful.
Boa-vinda dos leões a este meu território de hoje. Estamos contentes pelo aparecimento com eles. Eu trouxe também, tenho espírito de leões e esses espíritos estarão junto com esses leões.
With the arrival of these lions, it presents a really unique opportunity to study the effect of predation on the ecosystems. The exciting part now starts because we get to see these lions going from zero to recolonizing a significant area of their former range.
The reason I did it is because everybody says, I'm only one person, how can I help? Well, I'm one person, and I think it was something I had to do, to give back something, you know. Also, I did it because I think Dad would be very pleased.